Have you ever dyed your curly hair? Well, today I'm trying Garnier's Olia Gloss Tinted Hair Mask, Copper Cowboy. I don't know if this is even gonna work. Am I gonna look glamorous like a cowgirl or a traffic cone, or is it not gonna work at all? I'm also going to give you some amazing tips on dyeing your hair, and the first one is always use gloves. There are 3 reasons why you should use gloves. The first one, obviously, for your hands. If your skin is sensitive, if you're allergic, all those things come into play, especially if there's chemicals in the dye. This one actually is ammonia free, which is amazing. The second reason is staining. You don't want your nails to have a stain, or even your clothes. You know how it is. And the third reason is obviously oil transfer and hygiene. Your hands, they naturally carry dirt and produce oils. You don't want that oil transferring to the strands because they can actually block the dye from absorbing properly and affect the color. What is your dream hair color? I've always wanted to try this coppery color, but my dream color, I would say, would be blonde streaks through my hair. I've always wanted this. The contrast between the dark and the blonde, looks so good. But does it work on my hair? I don't know. Do I know how to do it? That's another story. And I usually need harsh dyes to lighten my hair to actually get that color. So let's focus on this one for now. All you got to do is put gloves on, clean your hair, which is what I'm doing. You have to wash your hair first. So this one needs to be applied on clean, wet hair. I only shampooed my hair and then I applied this. The reason why I really like this one is because you only have to rinse it after 10 minutes. And then style. Like, what? You telling me I can dye my hair in 10 minutes and go? This is brilliant. I always want a quick, easy routine. And the second reason I like this is it's got a hair mask in it. It's meant to add shine, condition my hair, and give me a copper glow without the commitment of permanent dye. So if you don't like the color, it's all right. It's meant to wash out after 6 washes. Sounds amazing, right? As a curly-haired girl, we've all been betrayed by products before. So let's see if this is a transformation or a cry for help. Now, why did I choose this particular color? I don't know. Let's be honest. Cowboy Copper is seems to be on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, your cousin, your neighbor, probably your dog. Everyone seems to be going copper. And honestly, I've been curious. Not bleach my whole head at 2 a.m. curious, okay? Just enough to try a temporary color. I'm going to explain the application. On here, it actually says apply on clean, wet hair with gloves. Gently massage from the roots to the lengths until the cream has fully covered the hair. Leave for 10 minutes. Rinse and dry. Keep your gloves and thoroughly rinse until water runs clear. Style hair as normal. It's basically applying it like a mask. So you don't really need to use a hair mask after this. However, I did, obviously, just because I was worried that, when you dye your hair, you're always like, oh, you lose moisture. But this made my hair so soft. After I rinsed it, it was crazy. I was like, is this even dye? It felt like a hair mask. It did not feel like hair dye. Obviously, it is hair dye, and I could see the color. Like, it's a shocking red color. But, you can tell, this is a hair dye. The color says it all, but it's multi-use. Up to 72-hour mirror-like shine. Yes, with a touch of color, easy and fast mask application. My first impressions were, this stuff smells good. Hair dye usually smells like that ammonia smell. Nothing. This smells much nicer. The texture's thick and creamy, more like a deep conditioner than your traditional hair dye. I'm not sure if this made me feel safer or confused. Is this alright? Am I applying it properly? But it was fine, obviously. My curly hair and moisture, we need to stay friends. So I was already like, am I doing the right thing or am I making a mistake? Tip number 2, apply evenly. Section your hair, especially if you have thick curls like me. I should have sectioned. So that was a big mistake. I noticed I went wrong here. The more evenly you apply it, the better it will distribute on your hair, the more even the result, especially if it's like a shocking color and it's noticeable. Oh, you gotta be careful. Now, don't get me wrong. I like my hair color. I don't have a problem with it. I usually find when I use hair dyes, color just doesn't catch. My hair seems to be too dark, or what it is, I don't know, but to absorb any color, I seem to need harsh chemicals chemicals, which I am totally against. I don't want any harsh chemicals on my hair, but it's not exciting either. So this is where I'm at. I'm looking for a change and I thought hair color, why not? After this extremely easy application, it was time to wait 10 minutes. That's all I waited. And waiting for hair color to develop is one of the most dramatic experiences. Like, is it gonna go bad? No, it's fine. Every few minutes you're wondering, is it working? Am I copper yet? Do I look different? Is it too much? Should I rinse it out quicker? You think, if I rinse it quicker, it won't catch as much. Meanwhile, your family's walking past you like, what's going on here? Time to rinse. Okay, no shampoo, please. Just rinse thoroughly with water. Best results ever. Tip number 3, use cooler water. Hot water can make color fade faster over time. Cooler water helps maintain shine immediately. My hair feels ridiculously soft. Okay, it is a hair mask. I had to keep reminding myself, it's a hair mask. It's meant to feel soft. Like silky smooth. So moment of truth. Oh, the color isn't screaming. Is it glowing? I can't see anything. No, I told you. These colors, we need some sun. I decided give it some time. Let me dry it. When my hair is wet, it's the darkest. When it dries, you can see lighter tones. So just continue with the process, Sharlene. Continue. It will be okay. However, my curls are shiny and silky smooth. Tip number 4. Always check your color in natural daylight. Indoor lighting can lie. Daylight tells the truth. So I decided, okay, wash it, style it, and then go for a walk and look at my hair in the sunlight. Or daylight. It doesn't have to be sunny. Just outside light makes a difference. How many times did I say light? Okay, curly hair check. Now let's talk about the part curly haired people care about most. Did it ruin my curls? No. My curls still have bounce. They still have definition. It's still soft. In fact, my hair feels conditioned. Like hair mask 101 feels better than my normal hair mask, which is actually very good. This is a good sign that the deep conditioner or the hair mask they've put in this dye is meant to help your hair tremendously, and that I can vouch for. That's honestly the biggest surprise. Usually after dyeing my hair, I'm like, oh, this feels like straw. You know that grass-like feeling? Dry. Is it dry? Nope, not this time. So trust the process. What shocked me the most? How fast this worked. I was happy. Like, oh, short wash days are like summer vacations for me. I generally expected a subtle change, but the shine alone is worth talking about. My hair feels soft, smooth, shiny, and the color? Yeah, you can't see it yet. Pumpkin spice? No. Cowgirl? Maybe. Main character energy? Yes. So, while my hair is drying, it's still the same color. But when I walked into the sunlight, you can finally see the tones. The copper tones are there. Copper cowgirl, hello. It's subtle, but it's there. So, Thank you, Garnier. Is it what I expected? Maybe. Because, my hair struggles to catch any color. But this actually worked. I was pleasantly surprised. And my hair feels good. It doesn't feel dry. That is the main benefit. Curly hair is still in check. Obviously, the aftermath is gonna come into effect. I need to make sure I do hair masks every week after this, just to make sure my hair has enough moisture and it looks good. I would rate it an 8.5 out of 10 because it actually caught. And why is it not 9 or 10? Because I can't see it inside. I would have liked to actually see the color straight away. But it did catch. So, is it worth getting? Yes. For us dark-haired girls, you light-haired girls, definitely this will work. Don't even underestimate it. Gray-haired ladies or guys, it will work, it will work, it will work. I'm sure of it. If it's worked on my dark-colored hair, it will work on your hair. I need your help. Would you try Cowboy Copper by Garnier? Or are you staying loyal to your current hair color? They have other colors as well. Blonde. Here you go. I'll put it for you so you can see. Let me know in the comments. And if you've tried a color mask before, tell me which shade I should test next, because this could become a dangerous obsession. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.